Alright, so your target campaigns display an extra step during the creation process that allows you to add targets after setting up your targeting options. So you can select your targets from Zeropark's list that is available to you, or you can submit your own targets in bulk. So first thing you need to do is start by creating a new target campaign, and you'll provide all the basic campaign information. So we're going to do that by choosing a traffic type. Our first traffic type, we're going to go ahead and just do pop traffic. And then from here, we're going to select target or source campaign. And then we're going to want to select a target campaign. So now you would need to complete all your basic details, and your target campaign type requires submitting the list of site URLs or hashes of top performing targets. So make sure you add that. I'm going to say don't show again because I'm aware of that. So now you just have to complete the general campaign details, and then you can go ahead and save and continue in order to enter your targets. So let's go ahead and do that now. And once your campaign details have been entered, you can now proceed to add your targets. Alright, so as you're looking at this list, you can see we can locate the list of targets, the available monthly target, and the average cost. If you'd like to add the target that you would like to search for, you can do so here. If you'd like to select the top 100, you can do so there. Or you can add only premium targets. Or you can add only the selected targets that you have. You can also add bulk targets. So if you have the target information and then if you separate it with a comma, a white space, or a semicolon, you can set up your bid and add your bulk targets manually as well. So let's say, for example, I do know what targets I'd like to add. Let's go ahead and add them manually. And then you'll just select Add Targets. And here's going to be the URL that I entered in. If I didn't have the target website ID, that's perfectly fine. And then it says active, and then you would save. So now you have successfully set up your target campaign.